I'm Jake Guttman with Rosevest Financial, here to enjoy a glass of wine on this summer Wednesday, and as always, share the latest economic news and financial trends. Today we're joined by a Chilean red blend. I read that directly off the bottle, and it's definitely red. So that tells you about everything you need to know about my skill with wine at this point. Anyway, I'm glad you can join me as we navigate a very active monsoon season in Arizona for those of us that are in the valley. And over in my neck of the woods, the storms have actually been a bit crazy this year, which is refreshing. Now, as always, we're going to talk about a few economic and financial trends. So cheers to what I hope is another informative and helpful Wine Wednesday. Now, let's start with the Fed. All signs indicate that the Federal Reserve will likely lean back from forecasts that pointed to a full percentage point rate increase later this month, and instead raise rates 0.75%. Now, if that feels like deja vu to you, there's good reason. The Fed made the same move at its meeting in June. As you can imagine, the Fed is walking a bit of a fiscal tightrope with its rate increases as it works to tamp down inflation while maintaining a healthy level of spending and hiring practices. If they go too far, there's a chance that the rate hikes, whether they be too high or too rapid, could spin the economy into a recession. Now, as far as recession fears go, they're still alive and well, but indicators are presenting a bit of a mixed bag. A recent report from CNN Business captured a divergent financial snapshot. As Wall Street has dipped, Main Street is still looking reasonably fit. The report went further to suggest that the country's biggest banks would be exhibiting signs of a potential recession if it were on the horizon. But as of now, they're not. Now, traditionally, a recession is defined as 2 quarters of negative GDP, though this time around it seems to be handled a bit differently. Now, of course, earnings season could upset the apple cart, as quarterly reports reveal consumer spending habits and earnings forecasts. They could indicate something more dire in the months ahead. We'll just have to wait and see, as the economy generally makes us do. That's about it for this Wine Wednesday, so I'll raise a glass to more rain, our health, and what we hope to be a prosperous rest of the year. We'll see you next month, and remember, as always, nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. Once again, I'm Jake Guttman with Rosevest Financial. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 480-951-5300, and we'd be happy to talk about your individual needs. So once again, happy Wine Wednesday. Should you not have rain and monsoons, may you at least have wine. So I'll talk to you soon.